What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying super blessed. I got another video for you guys tonight. Yes, tonight. It is dark out. We are in my garage. And on tonight's video, let's say tonight, I'm going to be showing you the front and rear rotors from this custom STI BBK big brake kit that I have put together with New Provisions Racing. So shout out to Nick at New Provisions Racing. Him and I were working together, choosing which rotors. I went with DBA. It is a two-piece front rotor. So 2 front rotors, 2 rear rotors from DBA with the STI calibers. And they're going to be, I can't remember the exact blue color, but yeah, I'm going to throw that color up right here. All right, you guys, that is the color I went with for the calibers. They also are coming with the Hawk HPS brake pads, front and rear, and Goodrich stainless steel brake lines. Apparently Stop Tech is out of stock, so now New Provisions Racing is offering the upgrade for free, Goodrich. So can't really complain about that, right? But look, before we start this video, please like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll always be alerted for future uploads like this. This is Skylyfe Projects. Much love, major blessings. Let's get this video started. Here we go. All right, y'all. So we have 2 boxes here. One box is going to be for the front rotors. The other box is going to be for the rear rotors. The calibers are not here yet, but they should be getting delivered here relatively soon. I would say within next week or the week after. Nick has really been rushing to get all of this whole kit out on time. But remember, you guys, the calibers have to go through powder coating. They have to go through testing, the brake pads, you know, everything like that. So the rotors shipped out first. We're going to start with those. I'm going to take this out. A lot of packing material here. All right. So they look like this in this box. DBA. It is the 5000 series with the high carbon, and it is the cross slot 2-piece rotor, 328 millimeter. Okay, right there. You guys can see them. I'll take it out of here too. I mean, they are actually relatively pretty light. Like, look, you know? So it is a 2-piece rotor. And yeah, let me show you what else comes in here. DBA sticker and rotor fitment guide. Now, I did ask Nick if he can just throw in some 5mm spacers just in case, okay? Just in case that the brakes don't clear on the Rota DPT wheels. Keep in mind those wheels are 18 by 9.5 with a plus 44 offset. They do have a lot of concave and a lot of space away from the stock caliber right now. But as you know, the STI calibers are, you know, somewhat bigger. So just in case I didn't do a full measurement. Honestly, you guys, I've been doing this for a while. These brake rotors should clear, the calibers should clear. Shouldn't be any problem. But just in case, I have 5mm spacers on the way too. So thank you, Nick, for those. Let me show you guys the rear rotor now. Again, same design, right? Cross-slotted. I mean, the difference in weight is just astonishing. I mean, DBA makes such good rotors, you guys. I've been using DBA for a very long time on many projects, never had any issues. I mean, they even set you up with nice little DBA gloves for the in the front rotor packaging at least. Rear didn't come with them, but okay, I have 2 sets of DBA gloves for the front rotors, which is really cool. Yeah, so that's what we have working with right now. Also, you know what? Let me go grab something else. I'll be right back. All right, so here we have some car LED bulbs. These are from Cirrus Lighting, and they have the yellow LED turn signals. You guys can see it right there. Focus, okay. And then we have the red LED brakes. On top of that, I'm still waiting for tomorrow to get the Cirrus LED reverse lights. So I was thinking of doing a full tail light, you know, switch out to like Molded Innovations or whatever Subi Mods is offering now, or Import Image Racing or JDM Muscle. You know, there's a whole bunch of different tail light kits coming out. But honestly, I'm just going to do the bulbs for now and see how they work out. See if I like them. I might switch them down the road to like Molded Innovations or something like that. Subi Mods, you know, Import Image Racing, all those guys. I mean, there's so many different options. I might be doing that down the road, but I honestly like the design of the OEM tail lights with just tiny little modifications like these is really going to bring it alive. I already did install the Diamode, how do you say it? Demode Dynamics, something like that. Sorry about the motorcycle in the background. I installed those for the license plate bolts, and I'll show you guys that here in just a moment, what they look like. But they look really good. So let me do that real quick, and I'll be back. One sec. So these are 6000K Cirrus LED license plate lights, and compared to the halogen, well, it definitely makes a difference. I don't even know if it's picking up in video at night here, but it is bright, like really bright right here. So yeah, I don't know, I might do these right now, maybe. I'm thinking about it, and then no, you know what, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow night till the reverse lights are here as well. So we'll do this tomorrow. I know that you need a 10mm socket. You take these out, this flap pulls out, the light comes out, and then you switch out the bulbs. It should be relatively simple. I mean, literally the license plate bolts, you take, let me pull it up here. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. These all come off, this folds down, and then you can get into right here is where the bulb is. You take the bulb out, put the new one in, clockwise the socket back into place, and then boom, you're done. I mean, it literally took me probably, I'd say 6 to 7 minutes for both sides, maybe less. So we'll do this all tomorrow. This is a little bit more complex, but it's still relatively simple, and it's kind of common sense. You got 2 bolts right here, 2 bolts right there, the flap comes out, and yada yada yada, go from there. But yeah, all right, so let me know what you guys think about the brake rotor choices I went with here. I went with front and rear. Remember, the calibers are still coming. I love the color I chose. I mean, I think it looks awesome. But yeah, that is it for honestly this video until the rest of the parts get here. So all right, hope you guys did enjoy that video. If you did, smash that thumbs up button for me. Greatly appreciate it. Really helps out the channel. Leave a comment. Let's have a conversation. And until next time, when all these parts start coming here, the coilovers are coming up too. By the way, I am going with Revel GT Touring with the what are they called? The toe links, the end link. Excuse me, not toe link. The end links that come with that kit are just it's just like, you know, cream on the pie, basically, is what I'm trying to say. So I think they look really good, and honestly, they're gonna match the calibers. It's gonna match the Cusco stuff in the engine bay, the rear strut bar. I really think it's gonna look awesome. And yeah, this color is a little bit more expensive. It takes more time for the paint to cure and everything like that, but you know what? It's worth it. I think you guys will enjoy it. I know I'm gonna enjoy it. So Nick, thank you so much from New Provisions Racing for working with me. And you guys, soon he's going to actually get me a sponsorship code. I am going to be sponsored by New Provisions Racing. And once I have that code, I'm going to give you guys that code in return so you can use it on future purchases with New Provisions Racing. You can work with Nick. You can talk to me. You know, we can get the business, the ball rolling for you. All right? All right, guys. Enough talk. Much love and blessings. Skylyfe Projects. Until next video. Let's go.